So, if you're still thinking of working in Uzbekistan this year as an ESL teacher, then do stick around. This video is for you. Thank you for joining me in this quick updates. I'm here to just bring updates on the teaching in Uzbekistan opportunity. So, mind you, Uzbekistan is still recruiting. They are recruiting 50 English teachers to teach in Uzbekistan's presidential schools this year, and the job begins in September, second week of September. So there is still time for you if you are interested in this opportunity. So today I'm here to give quick updates on this opportunity for those who are still interested. So you need to put together the documents that are required, and then you apply for the job. What I like about this opportunity is that the Uzbekistan procedure is flawless. It is very straightforward. You simply need to put your documents together and apply via a Google link. Once your application is submitted, within 2 days, they respond to you to inform you if you've been shortlisted for an interview, where they will simply discuss the salary and your arrival dates. Then they will take it from there to proceed with your visa processing. So this opportunity is a 1 in a million. It's actually a gold mine for those who are not aware. You'll be working under the Ministry of Preschool and School Education of Uzbekistan, and you'll be working in the finest institutions in Uzbekistan. So what are the documents you need to put together to apply for this position? First, you need to get your bachelor's degree or master's degree in education, teaching, or linguistics. So your bachelor's degree should be in one of these domains, in one of these fields of study. If you do not have a bachelor's degree in one of these fields of study, there is an option for you. You can apply if and only if you have a 120 hours TEFL certificate or a 120 hours TESOL or CELTA certificate. These are all professional teaching certificates which are certain that you are able to teach English as a foreign language. So if you don't have a bachelor's degree or a master's degree in education, in teaching, or in linguistics, you can as well apply if you have a TEFL or TESOL certificate. Next, you need to put your transcripts together. You attach your transcripts alongside your degree. Thirdly, you need C1 English proficiency for non-native speakers. When I talk of non-native speakers, I mean all those who speak English as a second language. So you need C1 English proficiency. That is IELTS 7 upwards, I think. Or any other certificate that can prove that you have a C1 proficiency in English. Then you need your teaching certificate if you are a teacher from your home country, a teacher that has been certified from your home country. You also need these certificates to attach amongst your documents. And finally, you need teaching experience. They require teaching experience in secondary and high school for these positions because you are supposed to be working with the finest minds of Uzbekistan. Then you are also required to possess teaching abroad experience, but it's not a must. It is preferable for you to have teaching abroad experience, and that is it. Those are the 5 important documents you need to put together. You can as well attach your teaching development certificates, workshop attestations. You can attach them as support documents to buttress your point. So that is it. These 5 documents, put them together: your bachelor's degree, your master's degree, your transcript, your TEFL certificate, your proficiency in English for non-native speakers, your teaching certificates, experience, and that is it. So I will be dropping the link for the submission of documents. I will drop the link in the first comment of this video, so you can get the link. In the description of this video, you will find a link to help you apply. And take this seriously. If you wish to proceed with this, then this is the time. Take this week out to submit your applications, and trust God, you will have a positive result. So that is it for this video. Thank you for joining me. I hope that you found value from this video. Please like and share, and drop a comment if you have a question, and I will gladly respond to you. Thank you so much. Ciao. God bless you.